Hello again, first graders. It's Miss Rumstall. I still miss you. We still must not be back together. So today I have another phonics lesson for you. Today we're going to review all of our cards, so it's like our OG card drill. I'm going to start with the sounds that we've learned recently, and then I'll get to the older ones that we've known for a while. After I'm done with the OG card drill, then I'll introduce you to the new spelling sound for the week. So the first one, give you a few seconds to say each one, and then I will say it. R, er, or, so the or card all together. Or. Next, we will review all of our consonant sounds. So again, you say the sound, I'll give you a second, and then I'll say it too. B, J, Qu, X, W, 2, K, S, P, D, K, Z, 2, S, Z, Z, Ch, R, Sh, O, Ch, K, T, N, 2, V, J, 2, G, J. Good job. So now we're going to go to our vowel sounds. Remember, a lot of these vowel sounds make more than one sound. So I'll tell you with my fingers, and you'll see me put my fingers out if it's 2 sounds or 3 sounds or whatever you need to do. Okay, so here's the first one. 2. I. A. E. Actually 4. U, A, O. Y, E, I, I. U, A, E, I, O, U, I. I, E. I. Ild, eind, old, ost. E, A. Ing, ang, ong, ang. A. E. O, O. Good job. So the next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to introduce you to the new sound for this week in spelling. So Unit 5, Week 4, the new sound is a vowel team. There's O-W and O-U. O-W can say two different sounds. We've already learned that O-W can say O like snow, and O-W can say ow like plow. My students will remember I showed you when we do this card, we go O like snow, ow like plow. O, ow, with our hands when we do that card. And then the OU says ow. So ow like, ow, you pinched yourself. Ow, ouch. Ow, ow. OW says ow and OU says ow. That's what we're going to work on this week. So now I'm going to show you the spelling packet. This is Unit 5, Week 4 spelling packet. So you see that you can make the ow sound with OW and OU. Let's read our words. Cow, wow, mouse, how, out, mouth. Good. Our review words from last week. Born, roar, the OR and the OAR. Our high frequency words, nothing, early. So again, this week you'll do your spelling packet just like normal. Trace the word, write the word 3 times, and pick 3 of the words to write a sentence for. If you want to do them all, be my guest. Okay, so next we are going to go to our Unit 5, Week 4, Day 1 word list. So you'll see I have highlighted the OW and the OOW in the words. So let's try to read these words together. How, down, out, found, house, bounce, bounce. Remember the C is followed by an E, so we say the S sound. Crown, frown, wow, south, mouse, count. Let's read these 2 rows a little bit faster. How, down, out, found, house, bounce, crown, frown, wow, south, mouse, count. Good, now our next row is going to have some words without the ow sound and some words with the ow sound. Shut, shout, pot, pout, find, found. See how they just changed the vowel sound or the vowel team in those words? Now we have some review words. I just underlined those review sounds. Fork, store, girl, burn, part, germs. Let's read our sentences. How loud is the sound of the crowd? And yes, you're right, that is a question. Let's read that one more time. How loud is the sound of the crowd? Let's read the next sentence. Did the clown frown when he fell down? Read it one more time. Did the clown frown when he fell down? And yes, that is a question too. Look at the last one. I hope you did not find one of these in your house. There are 4 words in this sentence with the ow sound. That's right. Now, found, mouse, house. Okay, let's read our sentence. Now we found a mouse in the house. Good job. Now we're going to turn our paper to the other side. So give me just a second here. Need to get that spelling packet. There we go. Oh, it's upside down. Let's try again. Okay. On the other side, Unit 5, Week 4, Day 3, you're going to see the ow words at the top, so practice reading those to yourself. And then I'm going to show you how to read the words with the comparisons. So we've learned about this before. This is a review lesson, but when you compare something, when you compare two things, you use ER. Like, Mrs. Johnson is taller than Miss Rumsdahl. When you use EST at the end of the word, you compare three or more things, sorry. You would say, Mrs. Straisman is the shortest first grade teacher, especially when Miss Rumsdahl wears heels. So ER and EST are comparing. You add ER and EST to the end of words. So louder. It's comparing two things. Loudest, that means our class is the loudest of all the other classes, loudest. Rounder, roundest. Prouder, so ER compares two things. EST compares the group, so it's the most proud of the whole group. Proudest. Shorter. Miss Rumsdahl is shorter than lots of teachers at school. Shortest. That means of the whole group. Mrs. Straisman is the shortest. The last row has some ow words. Some of them are compound words, and two of them aren't. Playground, doghouse, those are compound words. Power and towel are not. Then you can also read the sentences to yourself. Okay, we have one more activity, and for this activity, it's a listening activity. So I'm just going to hold my video like this, and you can look at our sounds that we're learning this week. And then I'm going to say some words, and I'm going to have you practice isolating or finding the beginning sound or initial sound, the middle sound, and the final sound or the ending sound. So listen carefully as I say a word. Tell me the sound you hear at the beginning. Ready? Ouch. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Did you say ow? Then you're right. What sound do you hear at the beginning of this word? Aim. Did you say A? Here's the next word. Eat. What did you hear at the beginning of that sound? E. If you said E, you were right. The next one. Out. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Ow is correct. Here's another one. Shout. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Shh is the correct answer. Now I want you to tell me what sound you hear in the middle. Crowd. Crowd. Did you say ow? That's correct. Here's the next one. Meat. What sound do you hear in the middle? Eat. Did you say E? That's correct. Tell me what sound you hear in the middle. South. South. Did you say ow? That's correct. One more. Late. Ate. Late. Did you say A? That's correct. That's what sound you hear in the middle. Now I want you to tell me the ending sound that you hear in each word. Now. Now. That's right. Ow is at the end. What do you hear at the end of the word crowd? Crowd. That's right. You heard a D at the end of crowd. The next word is neat. Neat. What sound did you hear at the end of the word neat? That's right, a T sound. What sound do you hear at the end of go? Go. That's right, you heard O. One more. What sound do you hear at the end of the word south? South. Did you hear th at the end of south? If you did, that's correct. Good job, boys and girls. Thank you for joining me today. I will have another lesson for you soon.